Hello everyone, start off by taking a white base cake and then take some pink frosting with this particular nozzle and then start off by making a swirl out of it. Now taking a different nozzle, add some white frosting in a piping bag and add 2 more blobs right beside the pink frosting. Now repeat this step until you complete an entire circle. Add edible pearls in the center. Next, take some red frosting and in the middle layer of the cake, make swirls all around the cake and the side. Now, add colors such as beige and white in the middle of it as well in smaller swirls. Surrounding the top and the bottom, add white frosting all around, flatten it out and then add some white frosting to the top of your cake as well on the edge. Next, take some orange frosting, line the bottom of it with this and then spread it out, flatten it out using any sort of flat surface. Now take a cake spatula and then on top of your cake, spread it out as such. Take any sort of circular stencil and then surround this with orange. That is orange frosting. Add choco chips to the middle of your flower. Next, take your cake spatula and then all around the cake, make these circular shapes like that'll make petals. After you've made your flower-like shape in the center, you may add some brown frosting to it directly using a piping bag with a little hole. Now sprinkle bits of orange all around. Next, take a spatula and then in the side, move from bottom to the top as such to create some more texture. Taking this base stencil, begin to make a flower out of it. This flower should be created by making these U shapes all around and we have chosen to do so in light pink color. Add this on the top of your cake and then in the sides of it, add little slits of green in order to make it look like the leaves on the flower. Next, take a little bit of a circular shape and then after this, take a little cake spatula and then make multiple little splashes of white all around your cake. Now, after you have finished your circular shape in order to make the flowers, make some more all around the top of your cake. In the center of each of your flowers, add multiple yellow dots and on the sides of them, add darker little flakes of green in order to make it look like the leaves on the flower. Next, start off by making this flower shape using this particular nozzle on your piping bag as such. Add layers to it and then add some depth accordingly. Add some yellow flowers to it as well. Make sure that both of these colors are light and then add some green stems to it along with some leaves. These are complementary colors. Thank you for watching.